Everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix meta verification not available for Instagram or Facebook. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on Instagram and just simply you have to go to your account and just simply you have to go to account center and make sure that a meta verification is available for you. If meta verification is not available for you guys, just simply you have to request a verification. You have to fill this form. So you have to fill this form carefully, and after that hopefully meta verification will be available. And once it is there guys, you have to open Instagram app again and just simply you have to tap on three lines and just simply you have to turn your account into creator. Just simply you have to change your account into creator, and after that hopefully meta verification will be available. And if meta verification is not available for you guys, then you have to make sure that you are over 18. Okay guys, just simply you have to make sure that you are over 18. If you are not over 18, then it's not showing for you. Okay guys, and you have to make sure that meta you are eligible, your country is also eligible for a meta verification. Okay guys, and you have to make sure that if your profile picture name as same as your profile as your identity card or your profile identity. Okay guys, and after that hopefully meta verification will be available for you. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.